Welcome back to the 12 Days of Christmas, hosted by Rustic and Lace DIY and Molly Cole Creations. I picked up a set of these Christmas trays from a thrift store, and I decided to use one of them and paint the inside white. I am going to leave the outside as it is. I'm using DIY paint for this, and it did take about 3 coats. Then I used my Silhouette Cameo to cut out wine and cookies, and I placed that onto the tray. Now to add those spoons and that rolling pin. With some hot glue, I'm simply going to glue the spoons to the front of the tray, and then we'll add our rolling pin in just a minute. I think this is an adorable little sign. I would just like to remind you to hit that thumbs up button if you've seen anything you like today, and feel free to subscribe. I certainly would. I'm starting with the sign from Dollar Tree, and I'm using burnt umber just to cover up the welcome autumn in the middle. I did have to give this a couple of coats of paint, and then once it was dry, I used my Silhouette to cut out gingerbread latte. You could use some of Dollar Tree's wooden gingerbread cutouts for this and stickers, or you could freehand it. You could even decoupage something on it. I did use heat transfer vinyl, so I am using my little mini press to iron on that vinyl. I think this turned out really cute, and it's a great addition to my coffee bar. Starting with Model Magic, I added a little bit of brown paint to make it more of a cream color, and I'm rolling that out. I've cut out a couple of sandwich cookies there, and now I'm going to cut out a gingerbread cookie. Because I planned on painting the gingerbread cookies, I wasn't worried about mixing the Model Magic with other colors. I think I'm using burnt umber for this, but I'm not positive. And now back to the puff paint to add some decorations. My puff painting definitely needs some work, but I'm only using 2 of these cookies for this project. Now to make some jelly for these jelly-filled sandwich cookies. I used clear silicone and a little bit of red paint. And now here's a look at my cute faux charcuterie board. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure and tell me what was your favorite. Thanks so much to Brenda and Amanda for hosting today. Be sure and check out the playlist in the description box below, and I'll see you back here tomorrow for the 5th day of Christmas. Thanks so much for watching. Share the chic. Bye now.